Alright, welcome all of you again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, and today also let's have a look at the gold market and find out the best trading setup so far for the next couple of hours within 24 hours as a day trading setup. So if you can remember my previous analysis that I have done like exactly 3 days ago, I mentioned that these areas will be my reversing areas. This is the one, right? And I also mentioned that market will break through this middle reversing area after a couple of market consolidations. So exactly you can see what happened. Market has been consolidating and broke through and comes down, and now the market is still consolidating and reversing and rejecting this area over here. So what next? What happened to the market for the next couple of hours again? Let's find out. And according to the current market situation, as we expected, the market is rejecting the previous this zone right here, but it's still I'm expecting this down move that I mentioned. Market will go down to these areas in the previous video. It's still I have that intention about gold market. So but before that, according to the current market situation and recent market behavior of buyers and sellers from here to here, I can see that before the downturn is started to up here, I can expect some kind of a market up move to these areas, like the area that I marked over here. Yeah, probably this will be my reversing areas to the downside. And while the market is going down to this area, all right, so there will be another market up reverse zone, and finally, yeah, this is the area for our main up reverse zone. So the specialty of this reversing zone is, if you draw a fib level from here to here, from the starting point of this main uptrend, you can see exactly this level over here, which is 0.61 level, kind of a strong zone. Most of the traders have talking about this level like golden ratio. So whatever it is, for me, this area is the end of sellers, or maybe once market reach these areas over here, we might be able to see the sellers, the pressuring of sellers will be slowing down, just like that. You can already see that sellers going down, but this down move is very slow. The buyers are pressured to the upside, but still sellers are in control. And actually, if you draw another Fibonacci level from the last uptrend, the starting point of the uptrend to reversing area, even that Fibonacci level, you can see this golden ratio over here, 1.618 zone indicates the same area, and as well the previous big up move also indicates the 0.618 ratio. And according to the buyers and sellers behavior and price action, this also a reversing zone. So there are so many confirmations that if market reach to this area, this could be a strong starting point of a main uptrend. So these are the main reversing areas and trading zones for me currently for the next couple of hours. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video, guys. Just do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful. See you again with another analysis.